give your golden ball. Oh no, I dropped my ball. What should I do? If I could have it again, I will give anything for it.
Princess, is this your ball?
My golden ball, give me my ball.
Let us live at the palace and be your friends, and we will give this back to you.
Okay, I will, I promise.
Here you go.
Your ugly frog can never be my friend.
Wait, you made a promise.
These frogs wanted to meet the princess. My dear daughter, tell us what's happening. They fetched my golden ball out of the pond yesterday. If you make a promise, you must keep your promise. Go and open the door for them.
We are very hungry. Your Highness, do you have some both worms? Bro, eat bugs and worms.
Yeah, I can eat with you. We only have 2 fries here.
How come there are only 2 flies? Suddenly I'm not hungry, you take them. I am okay, you should eat. Let's share them. Ha ha ha!
These frogs know how to share. Yes, they are true friends. Whatever, I don't care.
Let's play together. Princess, let's play your golden ball.
No, it's my favorite toy.
Brothers should know how to share.
Alright.
Ha ha ha!
I dropped the ball into the deep pond.
Oh dear! Princess, how come you dropped the ball into the pond again?
Who will go into the pond and get in?
I will!
Let's all go together. Please don't ever come back. Are the flies gone? I think so, Dad. I hope that they will go away, but I am not happy now. I don't know why. I think I know why. Pressing harder. I don't know. You are fat!
We are sorry Daddy took so long. It was really hard to find the ball. It was dangerous and you almost died. But we are not okay.
You didn't have to do that.
You are our friend. You are sheepish, but you're our friends.
I dropped the ball to get you away from me.
We know.
Then why did you get the ball from me?
As we already told you, you are our friend. A very sheepish friend.
I am very sorry. Please forgive me. Oh my, what happened?
Thank you, Princess. We are intended by a bad fairy. In return friendship with a human being could save us.
Now I know the true meaning of friendship.